What's up, everybody? This is Dre Trades on This is Dre, and I want to show you a quick trade. And I'm not necessarily saying duplicate this trade, but this is a trade on how you can make money with just a little bit of money. Just a little bit of money, and we're going to talk $500, okay? For you to get started, I need to ask you to try to get $500, and then you can easily build that up pretty quick to have a larger trading account, make bigger trades, and just kind of snowball that thing to thousands of dollars. Now, I show you trades that I do in my YouTube stories, and you've seen them, and it's like, wow, he's up 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. It's crazy. It really is crazy. But you got to remember, man, I have a lot more on the line, and those numbers could easily be negative. But for you to get, because you look at those trades, and I don't want you to think like, man, I can't make those trades. I can't make that kind of money. All I have is $500, and you can't make that with $500 for the most part. So this video is to help you build up your trading account so you can place the same type of trades, safe trades, and just blow up your account to big, stupid kind of money. So you ready? Let's go check it out. All right, so here's a trade on the GLD. Now, I was looking for a better chart than this because this one just had a huge breakout. So don't follow this trade, but just get the idea of what I'm trying to say for this trade. Now, the trade I'm about to put on is a good trade, but if I were to do it personally, I would like to wait for GLD to come in a little bit. So that in mind, just keep that in reference that I'm just showing you how to take a small amount of money and make bigger profits to snowball. That's what this video is all about. So here's GLD. It's in a uptrend, right? We want to find stocks that's in the uptrend. Okay, you can find stocks going the other way, but for this video, we're gonna do the uptrend and we're gonna trade calls, mainly call spreads. So we find a stock that's in the uptrend, and this one just broke out, right? Just broke out from that consolidation right there, and now it's at 154. Came out of that 145, 150 range. So we're gonna put a trade on. I got the yellow lines. We're gonna basically say over the next 40 days, we bet that this stock will not go back into this consolidation range. So how do we do that? Well, first we're gonna bring up the call options, the option chain. Anyway, so here's the option chain, right? We got all of this stuff. All the options are listed here, and we're going to go 40 days out. And I'm picking 40 days because the next one's 54 days out. But we're going to pick 40 days for this particular demonstration. And we're going to go ahead and buy that 45 call strike, right? So we're going to buy a vertical spread or a call spread or a bull call spread, right? So we want our strikes to be, we want to buy the 145, and then we want to sell the 150, right? That's the trade that we got right here. So basically, let's see what that looks like. The width of that spread is $5 or $500 because options is everything is like times 100. So basically, $500 is the most we can get for that trade, but we paid for that trade, right? We're gonna pay $4.38. So we minus $4.38, and we're coming up with $62 profit as long as this stock stays above the 150 level. So hey, $62, I know, but I'm only risking $438. So if you take that 438, you do 62 divided by 438, you're going to make a 14% profit on that money. And that's just in 40 days. Imagine you keep flipping that money every 40 days, right? So basically, we'll have $500 in that 40-day period for 438, right? And then we take that and we do another trade about the same and make another 14% and then that's $70. So 40 days from now, we'll have 570. And then we take that 570, 40 days from now, if we can catch 14% profit, we'll have, I can't do that, 570 times 14%, we'll have another $79.80. So 570 plus $79, basically $649. So you see where I'm going? You're seeing it snowball and just gets bigger and bigger and bigger. And then the bigger you can get, you can take maybe even slightly more risk if you want. But more risk means more chance of failure. So this is a high risk trade. So let's look at this trade again, because what we're doing is we are selling the 150. We're basically saying that this stock will remain above 150, and if it does, we're going to keep all our money. Yes, indeed. We're going to make that whole $5 spread. So what's the chance of that? If you look at the delta says 82, and that's roughly about the percentage chance of us being right. About 150 strike price remaining in the money. 82% chance, man. That's good odds. So if we go back to the chart here, 40 days from now, we're basically saying, hey man, it broke out. It's not gonna get back in this consolidation. It's gonna hover here and go higher, right? And we're gonna take our profits and run, right? So we're gonna take that $438 and get our $62 to walk away with $500. And that's how you basically do it. You take a trade like this, a 82% probability, only $438 to put it on, and you can make a lot of money. And that's how easy it is to take a small amount of money and just kind of double that process, just snowball that process, and to turn your account into a much, much, much bigger account where you can make much, much, much larger trades to have bigger profits. It's just to start small, take high probability trades that's in your favor, and just keep rolling it and rolling it, rolling it. Now you need patience, right? Because in this game, if you take more risk, the market, take my word for it, the market will take your money. So let's just be safe, all right? Let's take 40 days to make 14%. Let's do the same trade 40 days from now, and the same trade 40 days from now, and the same trade 40 days from now. And in no time, you have doubled, tripled, quadrupled your money. And then you could just kind of spread out your trades, make more high probability trades, and then your P&L will have big, big returns just from starting with this process right here. Now, I hope you understand what I'm saying, because this is what I do. This is how I do it, right? Just be safe, and the money will come to you. So I hope you understand that what I'm getting at in this video. If you don't, leave a question in the comment below. I put these videos together real quick, okay? I'm just doing this like in a quick 5 minutes. So anyway, but if you have a problem, if you don't understand, let me know in the comments and I'll try to explain it. Watch me every day. I'm on here every day and I'll kind of talk about trades. And I know I didn't get into all the details about an option, what an option is, what's a call, what's a put. I'm assuming that you kind of know this information already. I just want to show you how to take that information and how to turn it into a trade, a high probability trade, and I'm not even going to charge you for it, right? Other people want to say, hey man, that's a call, that's a put, and get my ebook and I'll show you exactly what I want to do. I got no ebook to sell you, but this is what I do, and this is how I turn my account into a much, much, much larger account, is making safe trades like this, deep in the money call spreads. Now, I'll do another video that's basically the same thing. We'll talk about selling put spreads, okay? Getting credit, getting the money, like boom, keeping it, and then just holding on to that money and letting them puts expire. Anyway, so thanks for watching, man. This is Dre right here on YouTube. Hit me up on Twitter or Instagram at Dre Trades, and I can show you more trades like this. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell. Let me know how you like this video. This is Dre on Dre Trades. I'm out.